Hello, everyone. My name is Matthew Panzano, the Director of Strategy at Argano. And today I'm going to demonstrate the Scheduling Operations Agent, an autonomous agent designed to assist dispatchers in managing and adjusting schedules for their resources. The agent simplifies the process of generating schedules with just a few clicks. If we wanted to go ahead here and do some suggestions for Frankie's schedule for the next few days, let's go ahead and pick that. Now, once we have this option on the right pane, we have several different ways of configuring this. We can choose if it's for maximum utilization, or go ahead and front load it for high priority work orders. We'll leave maximum utilization there. The other option is how many days we want to do this ahead of time. Let's go ahead and pick 3. Our time zone, and then any requirements for that particular scheduling. So let's go ahead and suggest our schedule. Now, our schedule has come back with giving us several suggestions for the next few days. So here's our suggestions. We also can look at it with a different view. So right now we're in the Gantt view. We want to go ahead and look at it at the list view. You can see here's our current schedule and all our suggested schedules as well. You'll also see down at the bottom screen, we have the ability of actually tracking map-wise how this may look suggested schedule-wise as well. This really can help alleviate a lot of the stress and time frame constraints that dispatchers have in their daily jobs. Thank you for watching.